'Cause I know you're not my friend, you're something more. You're all my life, that's what I told.